The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar basically is actually areas of strength for genuinely a sort of significant way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 62 cents. Which certainly is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in a real sense is floating at $2,285,218, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo down roughly 2.54% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. 08 July 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly. Certainly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What by and large is transient cost expectation for Nexo? Basically is Nexo a generally excellent interest in a kind of significant manner? Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth in an especially significant manner. However, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, generally let us fundamentally discuss the really current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953 in a quite large manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $20,577,638,440. Pretty further appearance how Nexo down roughly 2.54% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, showing that 08 July 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time. Especially clarified some things, facts, what explicitly is in every practical sense. Momentary cost expectation for Nexo. Sort of is Nexo a sort of wise interest incredibly, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level, after a decay of 0.54%. Or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period, which sort of is very huge. XRP, the local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 0.66 and presently exchanging at 47 cents. Or so they truly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a quite huge way. These occasions really demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a descending bearing for pretty present moment. Exceptionally further appearance. How 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo most certainly is floating at $2,285,218, which in a real sense is very critical. As of now, a really broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish exceptionally key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a descending bearing for kind of present moment. Truly further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in a real sense is drifting at $2,285,218, which certainly is very critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more truly dynamic, and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they especially thought. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors generally move genuinely dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. In every way that really matters, further appearance how Nexo down roughly 2.54% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The truly current Nexo cost in every practical sense is 62 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,285,218 in the especially beyond 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that 08 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly especially clarified some things, facts. What by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Nexo, especially is Nexo a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. As of now, Nexo fundamentally is somewhere near 2.54% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $347,392,958 United States dollars. In every way that really matters, further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum all things considered, has seen a value decline of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value examination. Nexo cost investigation for 08 July 2023, insight and especially everyday time span, explicitly made sense of beneath, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that 08 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Nexo cost investigation for now or for truly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified some pressing issues, facts. What all things considered is especially transient cost expectation for Nexo. Fundamentally is Nexo an especially wise interest in a sort of huge manner. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving in every practical sense, normal EMA too in a real sense. Examine the future development of the Nexo. So Nexo backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish extremely key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how these occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, all things considered. Further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo by and large is drifting at $2,285,218 in a genuinely significant manner. The Nexo really has basically break all its by and large backings levels and things in a real sense are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, exhibiting how 08 July 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts.